Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Steps to Success Occupational Therapy YouTube channel. So it's lunchtime. Today we're going to be talking about preparing lunch or preparing any meal during the day. So preparing a meal or preparing lunch is considered an occupation of everyday life. This basically means that it's an activity that people engage in every day that brings more purpose or meaning to their lives. This task would be considered an instrumental activity of daily living as well and falls under the categories of meal preparation and cleanup, as well as health management. Prepping and packing a healthy, balanced meal plays a huge role in health and wellness management. This is because it promotes taking care of your own health and overall self to be able to engage and participate in all your other activities that you do in everyday life. So packing lunch or any meal is a great activity that helps with motor planning skills, executive functioning skills, and it's also a great overall vocational activity that works to promote independence. So here I've included some examples of what a healthy and balanced meal would look like. So if you have a younger child, this might serve as a great visual in which they can kind of see what they would like to include in a meal and what a healthy, balanced meal consists of. This itself can also be an activity in which the child or the adult can practice matching certain items onto the paper, and this works to help their visual motor as well as their visual perceptual skills as well. So now the person can move on to picking the various components of a balanced meal and putting it into a lunchbox. So this step also helps educate individuals about what should be included in a balanced meal and what goes into picking out a beverage, a snack, a main meal, and how they can create a meal that they enjoy as well as has benefits to it as well. So after the person has picked out everything that they would like to include in the lunch, they can put all the items in the lunchbox and close it on up. So depending on the individual's capabilities, they might not need to use stickers or cutouts of the groceries. They can move right on to using actual groceries that are around the house, and they can work on increasing their independence as well as promoting health and wellness for themselves.